What's up guys, this is Tampatec, and since it's around Christmas time, I figured let's do some Christmas tech tutorials. Now this is not any smart tree. This smart tree has a lot of cool features. Or for one, it's easy to set up. You just snap the three pieces together, there's 3 layers, and then it has built-in Wi-Fi where you can connect it to an app on your smartphone, whether you have iPhone or Android phone. The app is called Twinkly. I'm gonna show you how to set that up and how to animate your tree for Christmas. How cool is that? So you get this tree at Amazon or Walmart. This particular tree there's 2 versions. The height of the tree is 7.5 feet tall. There is another version that is smaller and it's cheaper, of course. There are 333 RGB LED lights in the tree. If you already have a Christmas tree that you love, you can simply get the Twinkly LED string lights and set it up in your tree and use that with your smartphone app. It comes in 3 layers and it's very easy to set up. So when the tree comes out of the box, it's pretty green, but we added some fake snow to it. You could leave it green or add some fake snow. It doesn't harm the LEDs. Now, if you want the tree to turn on and off using the Echo or Google Home, you can simply connect a smart plug to the tree. Of course, you can use a smart plug to turn off the tree, or you go into the app and turn it off. You can even set up a timer if you choose to. So you want to download Twinkly, which is this app right here. It works for iPhone and Android phones. Now it's going to ask you to set up an email and password, or you can connect using Facebook. So next, you want to go into your Wi-Fi settings and select Twinkly. This is what we're going to do is click on Layout and then click on the camera button. Right, and you want to ignore the angel on top. I added a fiber optic angel, so you want to aim the camera a little bit further down so it doesn't pick that up. And then you want to get a little bit closer so it fills in the picture or the screen. We're going to start mapping. It just takes a couple seconds. Hold it steady though. All right, mapping procedure is completed. Let's keep the layout. And now it's just gonna take a couple minutes. I should have done this without the angel on top. All right, so once you connect the Twinkly app to the tree and you set up your account and you did the mapping layout, then you could go into your effects gallery. Let's go ahead and choose one. let's choose the rainbow one. All right. Now, if you see that it only works with your voice, then what you could do is just turn off the sound right here. So now it's going to be always on. And of course, you can edit and adjust the speed and apply. And cool. All right, so let's go back. And there's a bunch of presets, as you can see. And you can even design your own. So my son designed his. Let me go ahead and just show you how to make your own animation. So click on the plus. We're going to click on loop effect. You can have a still effect, but we want it animated. So loop effect, and I want to do that. So it's going to go straight across all the way down. If you want to add a color, you could do that too as well. Of course, you can see it right here. It's not the best design. I'm no artist. And when you're done, you hit OK, or that check mark. And let's name it mess. And on the bottom, you'll see, there it is. So my favorite is vertigo. Let's select that. You know what's really cool about this is that if you have an angel on top that has fiber optics, has multiple colors, you can even select the rainbow effect to match your angel. And hit OK. So when you click on the menu and you click on devices, this will pull up your Twinkly trees. You can have more than one. You go into the online store. So now I disconnected from the Twinkly Wi-Fi connection and connected it to my router. And you can see there's a lot more other ones you could choose. So this one is Twister. Let's download that. And let's scroll down and see, oh, there's the new ones right there. So let's try them out. If you know anyone that loves Christmas, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in this product, click on the link in the video description below. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. Click on that bell to be notified on my latest videos. And if you want to check out my other tutorials and tech reviews, click on this playlist link right here. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.